The Vigorobust cordless terrain transporter is built to carry loads even in the toughest environments. Based on this versatile platform, we've developed a range of attachments that turn it into different machines, such as an adjustable spraying vehicle, a reciprocating brush mower, an organic fertilizer turner, a fertilizer spreader, a mulch layer, a fruit and vegetable picking platform, a lifting platform, and a wood chipper. It's truly a multifunctional machine, a reliable helping hand for farmers.